welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally going to organize my BTS merchandise. So first things first, I sketched a plan. Ito siya, ito yung ginawa ko. Para malaman ko kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga items, yung mga albums, mga dapat ilagay. So, these are my shelves. This one, I got it from FB Marketplace. I just searched wooden shelves and then marami nang lumabas doon. And I chose this one which is 800 pesos only. And then this one is from SM Hypermarket. It actually comes in pairs. So, buy one, take one siya. And sorry, I forgot the price. But it's actually affordable naman. These are some of my merchandise. So, I'm going to start sa first floor muna, which is this one. I plan to put army bomb and my PC frame. I have here an acrylic light stick case, which I bought from Palette PH. So, I'm going to put my Army Bomb version 2 here since hindi ko naman na siya gagamitin. And I'll just use the Map of the Soul Special Edition light stick. And then this one, frame photo cards. Binili ko lang tong frame sa SM department store. And then, dinikit ko lang yung mga photo cards. So, dito naman tayo sa second floor. And I will put their albums here. Hindi ko sure kung alin yung magkakasya. But kung ano yung magkasya dito, yun yung lalagay. Next, dito naman, I will put the Tiny Tan figures. And then on the third floor, I will put the Love Yourself album series and Wayang Yeonwan notes. And here naman, I will put the Map of the Soul albums. And this Jungkook Funko Pop. Kasya ba? Ah! Hindi siya kasya. Okay, change of plans. Dito na lang. Ayan. Cute. Diba? And on this bottom floor, dito ko ilalagay yung mga malaking sizes na DVD like summer package, memories, season's greetings. On the second shelf, I will put the boxes of my two army bombs. I bought this Army Bomb version 2 during their concert here in Manila, which is why it's very memorable to me. And this standee from the You Never Walk Alone albums. Also, this old sparkling magazines with BTS on the cover. And this cutie little army barista, which is one of my favorite merchandise because I used to be a Starbucks barista. And this Jungkook jigsaw puzzle, which took me an hour to complete. And lastly, this Taekook air holder, which I got from a cup sleeve event. I have this trinket right here, which is gifted by a friend. And this is where I keep some of the memorabilia like concert tickets, K-pop events passes, and postcards. I'm a very sentimental person. That's why I keep everything, even the confettis from concerts. This is what it looks like so far. And this space kinda looks empty, so I will put something there. And I will also put some finishing touches. Okay, I have here a wall grid. I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito, but I only bought it from DV Mart. Less than 50 pesos only. I also have some pins here. So, I need to choose some postcards. Kung alin yung mga ilalagay ko sa wall grid. Hindi naman puro Jungkook tong ano ko. These are actually given to me by a mutual, Shello. Hi Shello, thank you so much. Okay, I'm done choosing kung alin yung mga ilalagay ko sa wall grid. Ayan. I have this wooden easel that I bought from Shopee, and this is where I will put this Taekook Sintra board that I got as a freebie. I used another wooden easel for my BTS Uno cards, and this fan from the 2017 summer package. If you want to display your photo cards, you can use this photo clip, also available from Shopee. Hey guys! So, it's the next day. That's why I look different. And I'm done organizing my BTS merchandise. So, alam naman natin na there will be a lot of changes in the future since alam nyo naman si Big Hit, ang hilig maglabas ng merchandise. So, syempre marami pang madadagdag dito. And this won't be my last organize with me. There will be a lot in the future. Maybe I will also do a decor with me sa bedroom ko and also my mini office. And for now, I will give you a quick shelf tour. Okay, so this is the first shelf. Give me pity in the city where we all just go to stay. I added some fairy lights which I bought from Robinson's department store, I think. I think they sell cheap fairy lights on Shopee also. And then these are their old albums. Which era did you become an army, guys? Let me know in the comments below. These are the Tiny Tan figures. They're so cute. Little Bangtan. So this is a lanyard from their wing store here in Manila. I attached it to my gift card here with Jungkook's picture and also a leather strap with JJK on it. So this is a diary from the 2018 season's greetings. Ako lang ba guys yung nangihinayang sulatan yung mga diaries. But at the same time, sayang din naman siya kasi hindi ko siya ginamit, right? And then, these are my Wayang Yeonwon notes. I bought the Korean version and the English version. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko binili yung Korean version since hindi naman ako fluent. And this is a baby cookie. These are their other albums. Here. So, ang ganda niya kapag sunod-sunod kasi ayan. If you need some reminders, so if I'm feeling insecure sometimes, I will just look at this. And then right here is my Jungkook Funko Pop, which I bought from Phil Bars in SM Mega Mall. I also bought a protection box. This is a desk calendar from the 2018 season's greetings as well. And then my favorite Jungkook PC. Here are my Map of the Soul 7 albums. And then here is the BTS Time magazine and some DVDs. On this wall grid naman, there are Jungkook postcards and also their family picture here, which is very cute. And then I also have this concert banner from their wing store in Manila Day 1. This is a lyrics from Run. These 3 items are very important to me since it reminds me of their concert here in the Philippines. And then this one, I have a fake plant, another Jungkook PC, and my Army Bomb Map of the Soul Special Edition box. And over here, we have a Sintra board that I got as a freebie. Flex ko lang sila. And then here, as I've mentioned, and here. I also have lots of posters from albums here, which I don't know where to put since medyo tapos na ako dun sa fangirl level na nagdidikit ng poster sa pader. Maybe I'll use them in the future kapag meron akong sariling cafe. And then this one is a binder of photo cards, which was also given to me by a friend. And then these are my Taekook premium photos. So, dyan muna sila kasi hindi ko pa alam kung saan sila ilalagay. So, dyan muna kayo. So that's it for my quick shelf tour. I promise I will upload more BTS related videos soon, and I will also film a Q&A video. So if you have some questions, kindly comment them down below. And if you want to see more of me, Eri, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!